This is Leticia from ISO Translations, and I'm going to show you how to start using TagEditor. First, check all the files of the project and then open Translator's Workbench. Check the translation memory provided by the client. Usually, this is in additional files as exported TM, as TMX or TXT format. You can open any of them in Notepad and check the sub-language. Then you need to create a new translation memory with the same name as the one provided by the client. Before starting your work, it is always better to create a new folder for storing your working files, your translated or proofread files. Name the folder with the name of the project. Inside the folder, create a folder designated for storing the 5 files of the translation memory, for having them stored together. Then create a new translation memory in Translator's Workbench. Open Workbench and then go to File, choose New, and then select your source language and your target language. Then click on Create. Hit Ctrl V to paste the name of the translation memory you copied earlier, and then navigate to the subfolder that you created earlier inside your project folder. Click Save. Now you need to import the translation memory. Go to File and choose Import, and then navigate to the location of the translation memory provided by the client, usually in Additional File. Select the TMX or the TXT file and click Open. In the left side, you will see the report of the importing process. Next step, copy the files that you need to translate in your working folder by copying them with Ctrl+C from Initial. Do not change the name of the TTX file. Select one of the files, double-click to open it in TagEditor. Sometimes a message error about a missing file may pop up. Click Yes and then click Open and navigate to the INI file provided. This may be located usually in Additional File, but look for it also in Initial Files. Click Open and then select the file in the list and click on Select. Arrange your workspace in such a way to see both Workbench window and TagEditor window in the same time. Start translating. Place the cursor on the first line and then click Open Get. To translate the line, hit the button Set Close. While translating, you need to pay special attention to fuzzy matches. You can see a fuzzy match in Workbench in the left side. Also in Workbench, you can see the differences between the original source and the actual source. Modify accordingly and then click Set Close. Don't forget to save your file often. You can also hit the shortcut Ctrl S. When your translation is finished, you need to generate your target files. Go to File and click on Save Target As. Do not change the name, then click Save. For some file types, you need to place in the same folder the original file used for creating the TTX files. On next step, you will export the translation memory. Go to Workbench, then go to File, Export, click OK, and then find your folder for exporting the translation memory. Click Save. When your job is done, you need to zip your files in an archive before uploading. For this, choose the format zip, not RAR, and pack your translated file, your exported translation memory, and your target file if you are a proofreader.